Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lover of all things good. Love you guys for watching. Before we get started, please subscribe and hit that bell and turn notifications. It means the world to me. I know it's kind of a cliche saying it, but it really does. It's a game changer. I've noticed that a lot of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you can please subscribe if you're watching this video and turn notifications and give me a thumbs up, and even a comment really helps grow the channel. Love you for watching, more to come. But today I'm actually doing a unboxing. So I got some fun stuff in the mail that I ordered. I'm going a little bit e-commerce crazy. And I found this item that I never knew that I needed, but now I can't live without it. So it's a really exciting item. It's actually called the chef's press, also known as like fish weights, but it's really great for like weighing down food and searing it. So I have like steaks, salmon, asparagus, broccoli, broccolini, all kinds of food that I actually sear and sometimes cook in a skillet very often. And this is a great way of being able to effectively maximize that surface area. It's also kind of similar to like a panini press too, but a little bit cooler if I say so myself. So stay tuned, more to come, and thank you for watching. Subscribe and turn notifications. This is the chef's press. So I got two 8-ounce units, two presses for a total of 1 pound. They really nicely nest and fit together like that. So I was looking at perhaps getting, there's a 13-ounce model as well, but I was like, let me just go ahead and just get the two 8-ounce ones. And if I want to kind of double up or maximize the weight for something that's like more heavy duty, like a big steak or something I really want to weigh down, I can just double these up and do a pound. I really wouldn't foresee needing more weight for searing something than that, but I'll probably primarily just use the 8-ounce ones separately, but it gives me that versatility, which is great. So super excited about that. Really great, interesting brand, and I'm gonna definitely check them out for more stuff. But yeah, the company that I bought it from was True Cooks. The manufacturer and the brand is called the Chef's Press, right here. But it's really cool design, and I like it a lot and excited to cook with it. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. More to come, a lot more unboxings and a lot more recipes. Keto, low carb, fun things, and also keto cocktails and a lot of herbaceous cocktails as well. So more to come. Thanks for watching.